Hi, my name is Alex and I'm going to show you how to make these cake pops.
But before we get started, be sure to hit the subscribe button down below and give me a thumbs up if you like this video. All right, let's get started.
First, you put the cake into the mixer. Then we'll mix it up to break it into crumbs. And then we add a couple tablespoons of frosting. And then let it mix until it forms a dough. And then it should look like cookie dough now. And then next you scoop them into normal sized balls. Next you roll them like meatballs. And you put them in the fridge for 20 minutes. And then next, ask your parents to chop up some chocolate. Next, you will microwave the chocolate 30 seconds at a time until it's melted. Next, we'll dip the end of the stick into the chocolate and then put it into the cake pops about 3/4 of the way. And then next you gently place the cake pops into the chocolate. And then next we're gonna decorate the cake pops with blue chocolate and blue sprinkles.
Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe down below, hit the like button, and I'll see you next time.